Okay, first graders, today we're going to talk about making the next 10. So I have some numbers here, and first we're going to practice making the next 10, and then I'm going to show you how we can use that to solve some problems. So the first one you see I have 23. I want to get to the next 10. If I have 23, that means I have two 10s. 10, 20. There are two 10s in 23. There are also three 1s. 1, 2, 3. If I was to get to the next 10, that would mean that I would fill up a 10 and I would have three 10s. There are two 10s now. One more would make 3. 30. So I want to figure out what I need to add to get to 30. If I have 3 here, let's see how many I need to add to fill up a 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can see that I filled up that 10 frame. That makes sense because 3 plus 7 would equal 10. That would make a 10. We could stack all those cubes together. 23 plus 7 equals 30. Let's do the next one. Now I have 45. That means that I have 4 10s and 5 1s. If I have 4 10s, I want to get to the next 10. 10, 20, 30, 40. I have 4 10s. One more 10 would make 5 10s or 50. If I have 45 now, let's see how many we have to add to get to 50. Now that I have 45, how many do I need to add to fill up that 10 frame? I know 5 plus 5 is 10, so let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I filled up that 10 frame. I made the next 10. Now there are 50 cubes here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 45 plus 5 equals 50, the next 10. Now when we practice, we're not even going to use cubes. Look here, I have 67. I want to get to the next 10. If I have 6 10s, the next 10 is going to be 70. 67, if I have 7 1s, how many do I need to add to get to the next 10? I'm going to need 3, because 7 plus 3 equals 10. 67 plus 3 equals 70. Now let's try 31. There are 3 10s. I want to get to 40. If there is 1 1, I know 1 plus 9 equals 40. Now I'm going to show you how we can solve a regular addition problem by making the next 10. Look here, I have 34. I want to add 8, which isn't easy. But I know if I have 34, I can add 6 to get to the next 10, because 4 and 6 make 10. If I take a 6 out of this 8, I'm going to have 2 left over. 6 plus 2 make that 8. I broke up that number. We can put together 34 and 6, and that's going to get to the next 10 of 40. Now I just have to put 40 and 2 together. That means 34 plus 8 equals 42. Let's try another one. 56 plus 8. If I have 56, I know I'm going to need 4 to get to the next 10 of 60. So look here. I can break up my 8 and take a 4 out. If I take a 4 out of the 8, I know I'll have 4 left because 4 and 4 makes 8. 56 and 4 would get to the next 10 of 60. 60 plus 4 equals 64. 56 plus 8 equals 64. Let's do this one. 67 plus 6. If I have 7 1s, I need to add 3 to get to the next 10. Let's take a 3 out of this 6. I know 3 plus 3 equals 6, so I broke 6 into 3 and 3. 67 plus 3 makes 70. 70 and 3 makes 73. 67 plus 6 equals 73. Now you try.